That's too cold for me. Got our burger?
Yeah. You can land here.
Ooh.
Easy, do not cut me. Hey, show that lake properly. Moke Lake. Zoom it. That's where we are going to camp.
Blocked by the bloody tree.
See, dirty lamps everywhere.
By dirty you mean?
And that's the Moke Lake, right?
Yes.
It's okay.
I was gonna say seeing close, but yeah. I'll let you close something.
Did you drop a bomb there? Did you?
Yes.
Really?
Is it calm? Is it calm here?
What?
Is it really calm?
Yeah, it is.
Let's go for a swim then. What, you're going to wait in the tent?
No, I'm gonna watch you.
Come on, join me. Oh, it will be fun.
It'll be cold.
I'm going.
Yeah, jump in.
Come on.
No way!
Why?
That's too cold for me.
It's so good. It's cold, but just for first few seconds. After that, it's so relaxing.
I'm
Trust
not
me.
buying that.
Come on.
No way.
I thought you wanted to swim in South Island.
Did I say that?
Didn't you?
No, forget
You
about
never
it.
went to a swim with me. Only in the ocean. Never in the lake. Come on.
Lake is cold. I'm coward.
That's the last gun you can pull out. I'm a coward. Wow. Hey.
Yeah, it's
The
a
boat.
steady boat.
Yeah. Finally at Fur Burgers. Those are the burgers you wanted?
Yes, fur burger, exactly.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright then. I guess our order is about to come. Give me the ticket. I'll just get that. Okay?
Yeah. Got our burger?
Yes.
Wow, long waiting.
That's what you were looking for?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's eat it.
Long queues over here.
Yes, a
Seems like
really
it's
long
really
queue.
famous.
What's that?
What are you trying to do?
Trying to landing where the grass won't grow.
You can land here.
Ooh.
Easy, do not cut me. Yeah, just go down completely. Superb. How about this?
It's gorgeous.